Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm back with another triangle. As I said in the post, it is the triangle saga, and I'm gonna make every possible triangle to crochet, since a lot of you do like triangles anyway. This is the single crochet granny triangle. We're gonna see how to make it today. So without further ado, we'll get started. I'm gonna start with the slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first chain, chain 2, and again 2 single crochet. Okay, this is the first row. In the next row I'm gonna chain 1, and here we're gonna increase in every row, beginning of the row only. So chain 1. In the first stitch I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Again, next row, chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Every row is the same. 1 single crochet in the next stitches. In the corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, single crochet in the rest of the stitches. Next row, the same thing. 2 single crochet. In the next stitches, 1 single crochet until the corner. In the corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the next stitches, 1 single crochet only. This is how it looks like so far, and it gets bigger with every row. One more, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, in the corner 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the next stitches, 1 single crochet. And this is what you'll keep doing until the end of your project or any triangle you wish to do. So this is how it is with few rows, and this is how it is after few rows as well. The same. It is as easy as I showed you, nothing complicated. Just go step by step and have a look at the written pattern for more help. And if you still have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.